Hey YouTube, it's Amari here from the Three
but then I
Slay
want that, but then I want that.
Sisters.
I am a river down in the valley. Oh, I am a vision, and I can see clearly. If anybody asks you who I am, just stand up tall, look them in the face and say, I'm that star up in the sky, I'm that mountain peak up high. Hey, I made it. I'm the world.
See, I'm vlogging today. Right now I'm at the harbor. I'm in Ralph Lauren. Think about getting this sweatshirt. I will show y'all all the stuff that I got when I'm done vlogging at the end of this vlog. But yeah, I'm just here.
I don't think we're gonna buy anything today.
We might, I don't know. But I will show y'all if I got something. But we are going to different stores and get stuff. But so yeah, I will see y'all when I'm done in the store. But yeah, so y'all, I'm in this other store. It's very nice in here. I'm about to go back outside, just wait for my dad. Let's go back in the street. But my dad is picking out something for, I don't know, for, so I'll see y'all when I don't know, doing something. Oh, here comes my dad. But hey, so I'm in this Under Armour store. I got this workout shirt. Let me see. I will show y'all it. I will show y'all it at the end of the vlog. But I'll show y'all the shirt at the end of the vlog. So I'm getting this. So I'm in this Nike store looking for some shoes. Why is it packed down here?
This will be so well. So
For some, excuse me.
É o 13 que ele usa, né?
Oh, these are Jordans. I want some Jordans. I don't know, but yeah. Oh, these are Jordans. I want some Jordans. Oh, these are Jordans. I want some Jordans. I don't know, but yeah. So, hey y'all, I got this Just Do It shirt. It's black. I will show y'all at the end. I've been telling y'all that, but I'm about to leave this store. So yeah, Justice, one of my favorite stores. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all what I got. Starbucks.
water.
What does it taste like? Well,
That's nasty. That's nasty. It's water.
you don't like green tea?
That
I love green tea.
It's good.
This world is on fire. At least this was fast. This girl is on I'll be back. So, hey, I'm back from Starbucks. Just waiting for my dad. He in the store. She looks weird, but
Wait, do you want to see with that? Or is it trash?
yeah.
Oh, you said it. We're with Starbucks. Oh.
I'll see y'all. So I'm in a car. I'm in the garage.
We just came from Starbucks.
I spy my little a girly I could get because she don't get too many likes. A curly headed cutie I could turn into my wife. Whoa, why? So I am. Yo, right here. I don't even know why I was yelling, but whatever. Just look at it. I am at the MGM. Be quiet. I am at the MGM thingy. It is beautiful outside. But I would like see if something happens, but it's so beautiful outside. We're just sitting here. It's beautiful right here. Just sitting here. But yep, I'm here
Every day
at this food thingy. I'm gonna just get some fries and stuff. I'll see y'all. Why you keep touching stuff? Huh? Stop touching stuff.
Yes.
Well, y'all, I'm walking back to my car, or I don't know where we're going, but yeah. Look. But I'll see. Sorry. I'll see y'all. So, hey guys, we're in the garage. Yeah, but we're going home.
I'm putting on my nails.
She brought something from Justice. I will show y'all though.
She might put on some nails.
So, but yeah, I'm about to go back home.
Bye.
See you when you get home. When we get home. Hey y'all, we're home. So right now we are about to do a video. After I finish uploading this and posting this, I might post it when I'm done uploading. But we're about to do a video. I can't say the video. You'll find out the video.
Please like this vlog, this video for more videos, and subscribe to the Three Slay Sisters for more videos. Bye. Peace out.
And I forgot to I'm about to show y'all what we got from stores. So yeah, that video better come down. So as y'all can see, I have a Justice bag and an Under Armour bag. I didn't get that Nike shirt, that Just Do It shirt. I didn't get that because I remember I already have one. It's white. I already have one. I might wear it to school on Monday. So that's not mine. Hold on. That's not mine. Here is mine. Oh, that's not mine. That's Allie's. This is what Allie got. This blue Under Armour workout shirt. I have something very similar.
What different color?
Got this light blue, sky blue, whatever. Teal. I got this teal Under Armour shirt. Workout Under Armour shirt. And yeah, my brother got this and this sweatshirt. And then so from Justice, whoop that fell. From Justice, I got this lip balm chapstick. This is a last like 8. Yes, 8. Let me see, 4, 8. Yep, it's 8. And yeah, y'all will see this.
It's gonna be very
Previous.
similar. Something very similar.
Something we're gonna do a video with this. Y'all might know.
Very similar.
Y'all might know. But this. And so yeah, that's what I got from stores. I only got and oh sorry, no, that's it. Also from Justice, I got these nails. I think Ali told y'all about them when she said she gonna put on her nails.
I'm putting on my nails.
But yeah. So that is what I got from the store. Please like and subscribe to Three Slay Sisters. Like this video for more videos. Subscribe to the Three Slay Sisters for more videos. Peace out.